Friday. And what a wild day it's been today if you're trading gold. So TGIF, wherever you are in the world, it's Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday. So we will just have this as a brief analysis and just look at a couple of things right quick. And we're looking at the DXY on the chart, which is the US dollar index. And you can see, of course, the US dollar is continuing its decline, continuing to get weaker. All right. And I've been saying this all year long that we're going to see continuing weakness of the US dollar. And that's what's happening. We had a recovery yesterday, but that's normal. You get recoveries here, you get recoveries here. These are just pullbacks, retracements. Nothing unusual about that. But we're seeing a continuing decline. And now the dollar already reached lower than it has for the last 4 weeks. So it just keeps going down, the US dollar. And now it looks like we're going to close below 100, which the market doesn't really like to be below 100 with the US dollar, but that's where we are. It is what it is. And what about the Dow Jones? The big Dow Jones, the stock market. What is that doing? We'll just look at that right quick. Whoa. Here is the stock market for today. Had a really big drop, and now we got a long pin bar here, a wick. It's coming back. So coming up a little bit, maybe it will recover during the session, but still decline on the Dow Jones, and this has been for the last most of this week actually, seeing a decline in the stock market. So not much good news for the U.S. economy. Let me go over here and look at Bitcoin. We can talk about Bitcoin. Oh, we had a big drop on Bitcoin today. Not really a big drop. I mean, it's $4,000. And it dropped from 111 down to 107. So a $4,000 drop. And we had the same thing last week. So it's nothing unusual. It dropped from 106 down to 102, $4,000 drop last week, and then made a big climb up. This is normal, nothing unusual here. All right, and now it's coming back up to our 110,000 level. Okay, that's where we are now, 109,900. So it looks like we will break above the 110 level and perhaps probably close above. Probably will close above 110,000 today. So higher prices next week, I expect, on Bitcoin. But let's look at what everybody wants to see, and that's gold. What is gold doing? Well, it's only green candles today. It's only been moving up today, all day long. We did just have a recent pullback. It tried to get up to our support, our resistance level at 33.72, but didn't quite make it there, and then fell down. But now in just this new hour starting, just 30 minutes ago, the Wall Street opened. And now in this on the hour, we're starting to see another green candle. So it looks like we will head up to 33.72 again. And it looks like gold is going to close on a bullish note. The buyers have been buying all day long. Asia Pacific, London, and now U.S. markets buying gold. So our next resistance level is 33.72. 33.72. Now, if we should go down, we have support here, okay, but it's not likely to go down. Our support level is 33.32. 33.32 right there. And then if it goes below that, we have support at 33.06. And then below that at 32.67. But the bulls are in control today. We only had this retracement yesterday, but now the bulls are back in control. Still day one, neutral on the day one chart and bullish on the 4-hour chart. So I think on Monday, probably if we close positive, if we close above 33.72, then we are very likely to be bullish on the D1 chart next week. All right, if we go above 33.72, if we break above this resistance here, then the next level is 33.98. 33.98, getting close to 3,400 again. Another strong psychological level. All right. So that's about it. There's no high impact news today, nothing for the U.S. economy. So let's just see what the market sentiment is in the U.S. market, the U.S. session. It's Friday. I don't expect to see too much movement. Maybe we'll see gradually, slowly getting back up to 33.72, this resistance here, and probably close right about there. So if you want to take a buy trade, yeah, take a small buy trade, put your stop loss below the support level, and that would be at 33, about 33.23. Okay, if you take a buy trade now, put your stop loss at 33.23, and then your take profit at our resistance of 33.72. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On the day after tomorrow, Sunday, I will be making the regular weekly analysis where I analyze gold and all the major pairs, the major U.S. pairs, and I give you my pending orders that I have set up for next week. And so if that will help you with your Forex trading, then just be sure you subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/@RickRay. Be sure and click that little bell so you'll be notified when that video is posted every Sunday, my weekly analysis. Okay? All right, thanks for joining in today. I hope you have a good session of trading wherever you are in the world. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like and share. I do appreciate that. And if you're on YouTube, just leave a comment. Any inquiries, I will get back to you. Okay, so have a great weekend. TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. Let's all enjoy our Saturday and Sunday, relax, and I'll see you again next week.